Time to do some harvesting. Some pretty lettuce. Romaine, I guess, technically. Pesticide free, E. coli free. I thought I needed scissors for this, but they break off pretty easily. The red leaf doesn't seem to break or come off the plant quite as easily as the other ones did, so the scissors are coming in handy for that. Not bad so far. And that's just one bin. So I already did some trimming to this bin and got a giant pile of lettuce. I don't know what it weighs, but it's the largest colander that we have, and it overflows it. So looks like at least a few salads worth, a few of my salads worth. And I eat a lot of greens, which is why I do this. So this is Friday, December 21st. It's just a couple days before the 6-week mark from when these plants were actually put in water as seeds to begin germination. So I'm going to harvest this bin today, even though it could go longer. It's not producing the greatest of lettuce. It's got a bit of tip burn, and I think that's due to me having the nutrients too rich, parts per million's too high. So I'm just gonna be done with that one. Probably also be done with these first 2 plants here. I'll leave the kale and add a couple new kale to that same bin, and then that'll give me room to spread out these 2 bins here, which currently have 15 plants per spot. I need to get those down to 6 plants per spot. So between those 2 spots, this one here, and then room for another bin way down at the end, I think I can get them all going at the same time. So anyway, I thought it'd be neat to take this cover off, see how it looks underneath, and my plan is to just carry the whole lid right upstairs, and then pull the net pots and plants out one at a time. So we'll see how that goes. Well, one of the things I'll have to do to accomplish that is to disconnect the air hose, which is relatively simple to do. Push the hoses inside so I don't have to deal with the air stones. I can just lift the cover straight off. neat. They're good looking roots, that's for sure. Alright, let's bring them up. Wonder if you can eat the roots. I don't know, rinse them off. They look tasty to me. That was pretty easy. Just carried them right upstairs. So I just got to get the roots untangled. I think I'm just gonna cut them with a pair of scissors so they're all in their own independent bundle, and then pull the nut pots up through the lid. And all the little pebbles and stuff, those can be reused. Those are just clay inert pebbles, and we'll see what we end up with. I'll show you what they look like when they're all out of the net pots. Alright, so they're all out of the lid. This is what they look like. And then when we pull it out of here, all the little clay pebbles that we use to sort of fill in space and keep the light out, those will come out and get reused. And then I guess what I should do is just cut the plant right there. That's probably the easiest thing to do. It's not like I'm gonna pull it out of the rock wall with all the roots. So we'll just snip that off, and we'll do that for each one of these. And I'll show you what I have along with what I trimmed off of these before I harvested them.